So today's our topic is like subqueries and correlated subqueries. Okay. So first, what is subquery? Subquery means like a query within a query is nothing but a subquery. Query within a query is nothing but a subquery. Means, for example, I need the data. My question is like uh, max highest salary drawn employee details required. I need max highest salary on employee details. All details. Like I need employee ID, employee name, salary, and department name. Hmm? Among all the employees, I need the details of highest salary drawn employee details. Hmm? So what is the just select this is my employee table. But what is the highest salary in this employee table? Hmm? Who is the highest salaried person in this employee table? Ajay, is it visible, right?
70,000, sir. 70,000.
70,000. His name is Yuva and employed is 105. I need that details. So by using which system defined function we can identify this is the highest salary or lowest salary. Tell me.
So we can use max function, sir. Max salary.
Tell me the syntax. Hmm. Select. Tell me. I will use max.
Select
Hmm.
max salary from table name, sir.
Salary from table, right?
Yes, sir.
When I run this, okay. Hmm. When I run this, I got the highest salary 70,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I will write another query. Select all columns from employee sub. If a where condition I can apply his condition where salary equal to is all query is in bracket. See employee ID, name, salary, and his department ID. Usually when I enter here like 70,000, I will get this information. But to now, Eva is the highest paid salary guy today. But tomorrow there is a chance this Suresh is there. Maybe the management given hike to him. So it may be changed to 90,000, right? Day after tomorrow, this guy will change it with 1,60,000. Hmm? In that time, every time when I run the same query, it will take automatically the highest salaried max salary and it will give the result set. Today UI is there. Maybe tomorrow we update the data. In that time, I will update the Harish to 1 lakh. So when I run the same query tomorrow, it will give the Harish details. And after 2 days, so this Rajat has like a 2 lakh salary. So when I run the same the query after 2 days also, it will give Rajat salary. So based on the data, every time the query will give the highest salary details, right? If you hard code like this, in next time it will give the wrong result set, right? So that is the reason we can write the query like this. So this query every time, so based on the data, it will return the highest salary details. So now the 70,000. Tomorrow, this Vijay has 1,60,000. So when I run the same query tomorrow, it will give the Vijay details. and day after tomorrow maybe Harish got hike. So update like his salary is 2 lakhs. So after 2 days, when I run this query, same query, it will give the Harish details. So based on the data, automatically this query will return the max highest salary, right? This is like one query. Query within a query is nothing but a sub query. Understand? Like this, we can write the sub queries. There are plenty of examples for sub queries. Hmm? In simple example, I can explain like how we can write the sub queries. Usually we can hard code the value like select start from table where salary equal 10,000, name equal to Ajay, employee ID equal to 101, like that. If I need like a minimum salary employee, simply I can write like here min. When I run this, every time when I run this, like as of now, this guy is the minimum salary employee. In further, maybe new fresher will join. He got 700. So next time when you run the same query, it will give the lowest paid actor, like lowest paid salary member. Okay. Understand what is subquery? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. And next one is co-related subquery. Subquery means query within a query is nothing but a subquery. Co-related subquery means based on the outer query, inner query will execute. This is co-related subquery means I will give the example like select star from employee sub where exists select star from department sub D E. What is the common column between these two department ID? TEPT ID equal to TEPT ID and D dot D HR. So this is outer. So when I run this, so what is usually joins will also do the same thing. Joins also will do the same thing. Like how we can write the joins, select star from employee sub E inner join department sub D on E dot department ID equal to D dot department ID D name equal to HR E dot star comma D dot star. For joins we can write like this. See, employee ID, employee name, salary, department ID, department or name. This is like this is employee table, this is department table. So all we got like when I put hard code like department name equal HR, we got only for the HR department. When I write here like IT department, I got all. So these two guys are exist in IT department. Those details like employee ID, name, salary. Similarly, I need to fetch the data only from employee table up to here only. So I need to check this employees exist in department ID or not. Just I need to check. This is my select statement. I am verifying like checking whether this employees exist in department table or not. So I will use exist condition like select start from department where. So here I will put like on condition like department ID equal to department ID. But here in where condition I can apply instead of on condition. In joins we use on condition, but in subqueries, correlated subqueries, while you join these two tables, we use where condition. Where same d dot department ID equal to e dot department ID, and we have condition here. department name equal to IT. Similarly, we can write like name department name equal to HR. So exist condition I used there. So whoever the employee is exist in HR department, only those details we can fetch. See, 40 means which department? 40. See, 40 means HR department. Only that guy will come. So how it will work means initially this will execute. Okay, based on this only. First here, 101 is there. So here 10. Here 10 is the department ID. That department ID 10 equal to 10. So exist or not. If it is exist, then it will return. If it is not exist, it will not return. So based on this query result set, this query will execute. Based on this query execute, this query will execute. Based on this result set, this will execute. So if this query does not return any value, this also will not return any value. So this is the condition, exist condition. Exist means the ID, like department ID, is exist in department or not. In employee tables, department ID is exist in department table or not. And here the second condition, make sure the department name should be HR. If it is not, if I remove this condition, simply it will check. So we obviously in employee table, how many departments we have? 6 rows is there. So when I run this, 6 rows will come. Why? Because all the employees have the departments. These departments are already exist in this department. Now let's take, I will insert one more record here. That is like 107 and his name is Astra. Her name is 50,000. I'm entering 90. Here 108. No, his salary is null. Now see, this is my data. So I entered 90. Okay. But in department table, I don't have such department. So here I entered department ID 90. But actually in department, I don't have the type of 90 department. And I don't have, this is null. Now, when I run this query, see, it will return 6 only. It does not return the 90th record, right? That is not exist in that department. And even null is there. So that they don't have any department in that row. So it does not return that one. So whatever the departments exist in this department table, only those columns only it will return. So now if I write like not exist, see these two guys will came. 90 department is not exist in department table. Null is not exist in department table. So only these two guys came here. If I put exist means make sure the employee table and department table department ID should be exist. Then only those details will be written. If I write like here not exist, what will come? Whoever not available in this department, only those guys will return. See, like this. Is it clear? Any confusion here? Rajat, Yuva, Ajay, Srileka. Is it clear what I am saying? Are you following? What is subquery?
Yes, sir.
What is correlated subquery? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So subquery means like this, like initially. So whenever we run the subquery, so every time based on the data, it will give the correct result set. It is not a hard code value. Hard code means I can verify the table every time I verify the table. I can verify the table and check the hmm, I can verify the table and take the highest salary value, and I can write like where salary equal to 70,000. When I run this, I got the details. But tomorrow maybe there is a chance to insert new record with the highest salary. In that time, this query will not work, right? Again, I need to check manually and I will identify the highest salary. I need to write here. So instead of that, we can write like this by using max or min. Every time it will return the say like highest salary details. Every time it return the lowest salary details. Like that, we need to write the subqueries. That is subquery. Query within a query is nothing but a subquery. And second one is correlated subquery. Hmm? What does that mean? Like based on the outer query, inner query will execute. Based on the outer query, inner query will execute. So here, like I will mention, like select star from employee table. I need the employee details. The condition is that employees table department ID should be existing department table. If it is exist, then it will return all the employee details. If the department is not existing department ID, those then I don't require. So in that situation, I can write like this. Same thing we can apply like joins as well, but this is one approach. If you have huge data, then this will give the good result set, like fast quickest way it will execute. If we have less data, joins will give the good performance. Okay, now subqueries, correlate subqueries completed, and I can explain you the operators now. Operators. Operators means in and or exists, not exist, like between. Hmm? These are the operators actually. For example, I have mm, select star from employee. Okay. Hmm. I need the details of Harish and Vijay. Now, how I need to fetch the details of Harish and Vijay? Hmm? My question is, I need to fetch the details of Harish and Vijay. These both get details I required. Employee ID, name, salary, and department header. How I can write? Any idea? Hmm? Rajat, any idea? Yuva, Gautami. I
Sir,
need the sorry,
using and operator, we can find.
not and operator. Select syntax is select star from table name where condition. That is actual syntax. Like select column names from table name where condition. Condition means column equal to value. That is condition, and select syntax is this one. Right? Select syntax is this one. Select required columns from table name where condition. Condition means column name equal to value. So my requirement is I need to fetch the details of Harish and Vijay. Harish and Vijay is my input parameters. My input parameters is I have given the input parameters. Name is Harish and Vijay. I need the details of Harish and Vijay. Otherwise, just I need Harish details. How we can fetch that? I can write like select star from table name where name equal to Harish. Execute. See, Harish will come. Right? If I need Harish details, I say the name. Name is Harish. So I given the input to you. His name is Harish. I need the Harish details. So simply you can go like this. Select star from table name where name equal to Harish. If I gave you is just to say I can say employee ID is 101. I need the details of employee ID 101. In that time, what you will do? Simply in where condition you can write employee ID equal to 101. See, again this guy will came. If I say I don't know about his employee ID, I don't know about his name. I remembered his salary is 10,000. In that time, salary equal to 10,000. Maybe multiple people have the same salary. But here our case, only Harish got 10,000 salary. I need the details of department 10. Whoever is working with department 10, I need all the employee details. So I can write like this, where department ID equal to 10. So I will execute. So two guys are working in department 10. So Harish and Suresh, these both guys are working in department number 10. Now, now you are following, right? How we can fetching the data. Hmm? If I give any input parameter, like if I say I need the details of Harish details, Harish all the details. I am giving the name as a Harish. So you simply can come here and write select star from employee table where name equal to Harish. So when I execute this, you got the all the details of Harish. If I say like I don't know about his name, but his employee ID is 101. So that is my input parameter. I need the details of employee ID 101. So I can mention like 101 executed. So I got all the details. Oh, now I understand. His name is Harish and his salary is this one and his department is this one. Hmm? Now similarly, I need the details of two guys, Harish and Vijay. Now how we can retrieve the data? Through operators, we can fetch the multiple data. As of now, we are fetching the data based on single value. It might be like name equal to Vijay. It might be like employee equal to 101 like that. I give two inputs here. Usually like name equal to Harish means we got one result set. I need Vijay details as well. So I can write like this, Vijay. So when I run like this, it throws error. Hmm? So equal to means only one value to allow. So now we use in operator and all these two values